Hi guys, I'm Ene, founder of Ene Naturals. Welcome to our channel. We're hyperpigmentation experts making beauty products for African hair and skin. On this channel, you'll be acquainted with some amazing indigenous African herbs that are fantastic for our skin and our hair. You will also learn how to make beautiful products suited to your skin and hair as well. Do remember to subscribe to our channel so you get notified each time a new video is uploaded, and do send us your comments and your questions. We'll be so happy to respond to them. At Ene Naturals, we are celebrating true African beauty. Hi guys, in this video I will be showing you how to make an exfoliating face wash which is ideal for acne prone skin and oily skin. What I've done here is I have created a formula that is rich in exfoliating ingredients as well as humectants, and the reason is because at Ene Naturals we're hyperpigmentation experts, and we make products for black skin. So when we're making products that treat hyperpigmentation, we always put into cognizance the importance of making a product that is highly moisturizing. Black skin generally needs intense hydration, so that's the reason why this formula is rich in humectants. So what we have here is glycerin with xanthan gum, which I'm going to combine together. I have to quickly combine the xanthan gum with the glycerin because if you're not quick to mix the two, your mixture may end up lumpy, which we don't want. So the xanthan gum is serving as our thickener for the face wash, while the glycerin is our humectant. We have our glycerin and xanthan gum here. Here we have orange hydrosol. Orange, like all citruses, is fantastic for detoxifying the skin and exfoliating the skin, which is why I have chosen the orange hydrosol. If you don't have orange hydrosol, you can use lavender hydrosol as well. I have my hyaluronic acid here. Like I earlier explained, this face wash is rich in humectants. In here is my aloe vera gel extract. And then one of our active ingredients is licorice root extract. Another active ingredient that I have here is my alpha hydroxy acid complex. Alpha hydroxy acid is great for exfoliation. What I have here is camwood and water solution. Camwood is also known as African sandalwood. It usually comes in powders. For you to be able to extract camwood, you would need to first of all heat it up to boiling point, and then when it reaches boiling point, you turn it off, and then you allow it to cool to reach room temperature. When it reaches room temperature, you'll find sediments settling at the bottom. Then you can filter it out into your beaker before you use. You will not be able to extract anything from camwood if you're using room temperature water. And then here are my surfactants. I'm using cocoa betaine and Lame Soft PO65. Now Lame Soft PO65 is a combination of glyceryl oleate and cocoa glucoside. I love it because it's really soft and gentle on the skin. have it, my exfoliating face wash for oily skin and acne prone skin. This face wash will detoxify your skin, rid your skin of dead cells, and give you a clearer, brighter complexion. So do give this formula a go and leave me some comments. If you have some questions, please do send your questions. I will be happy to answer your questions. Please do leave a comment, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.